Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one's quite a chunky one. It's a soft cover, it's quite squishy. There's a lot going on, there's lots of fabrics. In fact, all the pockets and tuck spots are all made with laces of some sort. So that is the front and back. Done some layering here with some digital paper, some music paper and the tag, and then I've just put a little twine double ball on this tag here. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and there are 160 pages front and back. This journal will be listed in my shop, with the link for that will be below. So if you're interested, then you can pop over and have a look. So you can see there's lots going on, and I've used the Hummingbird digital kit from Tsunami Rose, and Tsunami Rose will be linked below as well. So I will do a quick flip. So here we have a lace pocket, and I think this lace was gifted to me by Artie Mays. I think she did gift me quite a few little bits of vintage lace, so I've added some of that. Got some journaling cards in here, and a little note card there. Make sure I'm in frame. I am. Another journal card here. It says it was the perfect day. We have a doily. This is from the old design shop. Here I've just made, this is like a double tag type thing, and I've just done some punched a border at the bottom and done some stamping. That's been coffee dyed or coffee stained. Some more from the old design shop. Here we have this is a die. I don't think I've used it before. I think it's a Sizzix one, you know, the thinlits, and you get loads of different shapes with it. So I decided to use that, and then popped on these images here. These are the female beauties from Artie Mays. We have lined paper. Here we have a little Hummingbird monthly calendar that you can make some notes on. This is an envelope with the journal. Is it a journal card or a letter inside? Not a letter, but a note card. So you can do some notes on that. And that pops on there. Hope you're all having a good day. It's nice and toasties here today. I think it's like 29 degrees. Not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's hot. So we have a journal card here. We have a doily, another page from the Hummingbird collection, some old design shop digital paper bag, little butterfly here on a double banner, some music paper. This is just attached. It's a bowl jar with the hummingbirds on it. Again, that's from Tsunami Rose. Here I made just a little booklet from this hummingbird image, and it's things to do, so you can keep notes inside that. Another page from the hummingbird. Here we have a lace pocket, and in there we have a is that an alterations tag? Garment tag. We have a journal card. We have some ledger which has been coffee stained, and another journaling card there. Doily, some ledger paper, some edge punching, another one of these that's just popped on there. There's lots of journaling room in the journal. Some lace trim, edge punching, another little monthly calendar that's just been paper clipped on there. A doily. Here is excuse me, it's like a applique of some sort I had. It's got a longer piece, but I think it might have had some fabric on there, and I've just fussy cut all that out, so I've made a pocket there. So you can, here we just have some coffee dyed paper. It's good quality paper. We have a tag, and a journal card. On the other side of the paper bag, here we just have a flip, and we have this cluster here, and a telegram with hummingbirds on there, and that's just paper clipped on. Another doily. So actually it's not another doily, it's the other side of the doily. Here we have a flip, and I've just put some of this lace trim on there. Here we have a belly band, a lace belly band, and journal card, and then these two journal cards. It just pops in there. So that's the first signature. Second signature, we've got a crocheted lace pocket and a large tag. Another tag here. A little journaling card there. And then another one of these like ledger papers that's all been coffee dyed. A doily, some more digital from the old design shop, as is this. Oops, that's just fell out of there. We got this lace pocket here. It's really nice, dainty, well not dainty trim, but it's got like delicate flowers on the actual lace. Large journaling card. Another index card, journal card here, and a little postcard. That all pops in there. Paper bag. Another bowl jar with the hummingbirds on there. Belly band. I know Andrea from Artie Mays gave me this. So we've got that journal card there. And this index card there. Another one of these ladies on the die cut. We have another monthly calendar with a hummingbird on there. Lots of journal room. Here we have another lace pocket and large journaling card and a tag. Another one of these. And this is just a flip out with another bowl jar. Other side of the paper bag. Another tag here with a scrap piece of ledger, that's huge. And that's just folded over. Oopsie. And that just pops on there. Here we have another monthly calendar, another one of these, another flip here with like an organza flower that flips opened, telegram with the hummingbirds on there. So it's got a bit of dimension to it. Deep pockets there with a large journal card. Little note card there. It's very shimmery. And a pocket here with a journal card inside. And that goes in there, and that is the back. So that is this journal. So say it's listed for sale in my shop, and that will be below, and all the other links will be below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.